Yeah. I think I might change his hood out. Switch out that cowl. And go for like a carbon fiber, something different. That way the kids and the wife can see once they get a little older and can, you know, go for little Mustang rides. Yeah, I don't think I went through these tires yet with you guys, but I do have some Federals here. They are the 595 RSRR. And Federal sent them to me. We've been in talks. My Mickey Thompsons didn't last forever, and I'm not expecting these to last forever either. But I am going to track the car, so we're going to check out how these Federal tires do around the track. I've heard a lot of great things about them. I can't say the best about Mickey Thompson's street comps because they do slide on me here and there. And some people said they didn't last very long. My Mickey Thompsons actually lasted me like 2 years. So I guess it depends on how you drive your car. But yeah, we got a review coming up on those as well, so stay tuned on those once they go on, maybe around March or May. And yeah, you guys ever seen that one? Objects in Mirror Losing? Hell yeah. I gotta fix that little crack too. That here, watch. Yeah, that right there. It's basically this right here is cracked. You can see that. I gotta fix that now. Lovely. All right. Yep. Always me. And here we are again. I'm Mike Pedretti from Pedretti Racing. You should know this by now. And 1,000 subscribers. We're getting close. So once we hit that mark, we got the detailing kit giveaway by Deluxe Car Care. It's a really good product, really good products, period, that will clean your car. It doesn't matter what car you got or who follows me. If you got a car and you win, it's going to clean it. And today I'm going to be working on my 3-valve. And before it goes under the knife here, those are little secrets, you know, for me and you guys later. And today's video will be about, 10 more 3-valves that I think you guys should follow. And these builds and cars are really nice. They're really clean, and they're all on Instagram. As you can tell, it's cold out. The snow's out. My car parks in the winter, so I have to improvise and be creative for my winter content, which usually I try to give shout-outs to other 3-valves or other cars in general. It's not just Mustangs. Lately it has been, and why not, But, yeah, I don't live in a warm area where I can always just take my car out and then shoot content every single day. It doesn't work out that well for me here, unless it's summertime, which I plan to do a lot. So stay tuned. Like I said, subscribe if you haven't. It's going to be a wild ride, man. It's going to be fun. But in the meantime, check out these cars. Tell me what you think. What one you like. All right? In the comments down below, of course. All right, catch you later. Love you. Bye. Alright, now dipping into it at number 1, Mustangs. I believe this guy owns more than just one Mustang, so make sure you stop with it and check it out. Looks like it's on bags. Again, I could be wrong. I do follow a lot of content, as in a lot of guys out there. But this one does look like it might be on bags. Looks really clean all around. I mean, you really can't go wrong with this one as well. It's a 2010 GT. Here's a video. Then up next, we got Nardo S197 with the Nardo Mustang. If you don't know Nardo, it's one nasty color. A color you cannot go wrong with. I love the look of this too. It looks like it has a GT500 front end as well. I mean, it comes together pretty well. These pictures are really nice. Yeah, that's a GT500 front end. The conversion kit, not a cheap route, but it does look really good. So go ahead and stop over, shoot them up, give them a follow. On to the next one. Number 3, 3-valve Ryan. This is a nice blue. I said nice. This is a really nice, clean Mustang too. The headlights, the fog light with the halos. I believe the turn signals in the front there look like LEDs. Might even be switchbacks. Cowl hood. I mean, the whole works really. I see he's got the side mirrors as well, like those caps or covers. The Vector style taillights, I believe. LED side markers. There's a lot done to this car. Up next, S197 Wick. Looks like a color shift. Now I don't know if this is wrapped or like a flashy dip style, liquid wrap, that kind of stuff. You have to stop over and check it out. I actually should stop over there and check it out some more often too. I got so much content that goes through my feed. But this car is really sick as well. Really clean build. Little drag race. And at number 5, we got Fernando. I suck at names sometimes, but I love these photos. I come across them from time to time, and they're super clean. He's got a very simple but yet clean build. Kind of reminds me of Brandon in a way, because Brandon Polar, he also has a very clean build. This one's, it's simple, but it's so nice because it sticks out, you know, because it's such a clean example of a car. The Gen 5 tails, I love that yellow and black look too, so please keep that going because that looks really good. Nice. Up next, number 6, we got School.Bus S197. Now most people know buses to be yellow, but this Mustang I believe is grabber orange. So check them out. It's a nice little kit. I think it's a B2 kit on there. Almost looks kind of like a Mach 1 look too as well. It does look pretty badass. Even with the side there, looks like a boss. But hey, it's a nice, clean ass car. There's a little video of it as well. Nothing major. Just a little burnout and I'm out. At number 7, we got Garden Snake 06. Stop over, give him a follow. It looks like he's got a nice little drag pack set up there. A very clean car. You can't go wrong with these colors as well. I can't remember the exact color of green, you know, but it's sick. The Gen 5 tails, nice green black look. You can't go wrong with that look either. Simple, clean, aftermarket hood there. I see that as well. The side covers for the mirrors. The wheels, I don't know that wheel setup, but it's really nice. The fog lights in the middle like Eleanor style. That front chin spoiler. Tinted headlights maybe. Here's a video. Alrighty then. Number 8, Shelton Snyder 357 with the periods in there, so don't forget that. A very nice, clean red Stang, lowered, aftermarket wheels, looks like a carbon fiber deck lid, vector taillights, a rear diffuser, that front being lower, the chin spoiler, and more. So this car's got quite a bit done. I'm not sure if it's bagged or not. I'm pretty sure it's bagged. And then stop over and give him a follow. Ask him some questions. If you got questions or ideas that you'd like to somewhat follow his build. The video. And at number 9, the purple dildo. Well, anyway, this guy gets called out as being like my brother. So we got the same, almost identical wrap, if not maybe the same wrap. He's got different wheels, obviously. A Roush, it looks like a Roush spoiler in the back there. I've been thinking about going that hood style as well, and he also has a Roush bumper like I have. However, he has the front lip on his. I do not. But yeah, this is a very clean car as well, because it reminds me a lot of, well, obviously mine. But it does look really, really good. And here's a video of his car. Last but not least, at number 10, Rowdy_3 valve. Been following this build for quite a while. Very clean, very simple. In the pictures, you can't go wrong. I believe I have 2 different setup of wheels in here. These are the new ones, I believe, and the next picture here, right here, are their old setup. Again, this is a very clean car. You can't go wrong. I love the blue as well. But all around, again, this is another Mustang that's pretty simple and not overdone car. You know, it's right at that, you know, perfect touch. So go ahead, stop over, give them a follow. Actually, give them all a follow. And thanks for stopping by, guys. Make sure you subscribe. I appreciate all the love and support, all the comments, the likes. If you haven't subscribed, like I said, hit it up, do so, and leave a comment down below which one was your favorite.